Hello everyone. This is Friday, 5th of September 2025, and NFP is like coming out in a few hours. Anyways, uh, I just want to share a short breakdown of Euro USD uh, throughout this week, and potentially we will see like what NFP uh, could do or which direction it could take. So, under what circumstances. So, anyways, we start, and this is uh, the Monday here. So, I'm actually looking, when I say Monday open price, I'm actually looking at the midnight price, New York time, or you can say the London open. So, the price actually, when it opens on Sunday, as per New York time, it opens in a new week opening gap. Okay, there's a gap in the price when the price opens, and then it rallies up, and this is where London opens, right? This is the midnight New York time. So as soon as it opens, you can see that I will show you something that has been consistent this week, and you could find it every week, like if you want to, right? There's a certain thing I'm going to bring in your notice here throughout the week. So, anyways, we start here, and the London opens here. Okay, this is the London open. London opens here. Price rallies above the London open, and then it falls. Okay, so this is now what? Now this is the Monday. Now this line, this is the London open on Monday, and Monday was also holiday. So, anyways, the London opens, price rallies above, and then it falls, then goes back above, and then it falls from the London open price. Okay, and we see a good displacement. But what actually is happening here? The London opens, and this price goes above. What is this? This is a Judas swing. Okay, this is the fake move that the price is making here, and we also had a buy side liquidity above of the previous week, which was the previous week's high, but the market couldn't take that on Monday and made a fake move above the London open of the price. Okay, so this was the Monday, this was the fake move, and then market falls, and as soon as Tuesday opens, this is where, no, Tuesday opens, sorry, this is not Monday, but this is Tuesday. So this is where the London, again, as we were looking at the Monday's opening price, midnight New York time, we are also looking at Tuesday's opening price, which is midnight New York time. So as soon as the market opens on Tuesday, okay, and this is the opening price of the market rallies above, you see, and market dips into a fair value gap that was broken here. This is the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap. And this fair value gap was broken here. The London Tuesday opens, market rallies above into the fair value gap, and also touching the above, but it actually couldn't reach this fair value gap, because I would consider these as order blocks, and market is I kind of reached into the order blocks. Okay, so market did what it did, the same thing that was happening on Monday. Market rallied above the opening price, which was a fake move, and similarly, quite similarly, we see that market opens and on Tuesday, and it rallies above, just like the Monday. Okay, so this is what again, a fake move by the price on Tuesday, Judas swing. Okay, after that the market breaks down, and it breaks this fair value gap and this, and reaching into an internal range liquidity, which is this fair value gap. Okay, there was also a breaker and some other PD areas on the way, but the market didn't respect them, and it came directly where the highest of liquidity was residing. Okay, so the Tuesday opens, market rallies above, makes a fake move, and then it drops down again. So we make here, this was also the high of the week. Monday often makes higher low of the week, or if Monday doesn't do that, Tuesday is going to do that. Okay, so in this case, Monday has made high of the week. And what did Tuesday do? Tuesday made low of the week, but until the Wednesday was opened. So anyways, the market broke down on Tuesday from the London open price, which is the midnight price. I had it highlighted, and the market falls from there, falls directly into an internal range liquidity, which is a fair value gap, and then it rallies above as soon as the New York session starts at 9 a.m. So the New York session starts, market shows a reaction from the fair value gap, and it rallies above to fill the gap that was left from the London session. So in there was also breaker that were residing here. There were two PD areas, the new week opening gap that I highlighted, that I told you about in the beginning. So, and there was also breaker formed because this was the high, this here was the high, and this was the higher high. Okay, it's high, higher high, and then this is the breaker. So market reaches into the fair value gap that it had left unfilled in London session and reaches the breaker level as well, and then rallies down, and we see that Tuesday, after noon session was like just lazy kind of. Okay, so again we look at Wednesday. This was Tuesday. Tuesday did a lot. It fell down and then covered the range, filled the gap, and then broke down. So this is now where Tuesday starts. This is where, sorry, not Tuesday, but I'm looking for Wednesday. This is where Wednesday starts. So the Tuesday and the Wednesday starts here. This is the midnight price of the market. So this is the London open. This is where the London opens, and this is the midnight New York time. Okay, which is 12 a.m. So the London opens, and then market rallies. It goes above the London open, but it comes down, takes the liquidity, which is the sell side liquidity, or the previous day's low, which is Tuesday's low. And notice one more thing: price is making a fake move again under the London Open. That was a fake move. That was a delayed move because Tuesday and Monday were like spending time there, kind of. But this was a quick move that price made on Wednesday under the London Open. Took the sell side liquidity. After taking the sell side liquidity, market rallied up. And the Wednesday market kept rallying up, and market had also formed a breaker here, which is low. This is the low. This is a lower low. Sell side was taken here, and market formed a breaker. Market broke above this structure. This is where market had fallen from. Broke above it, formed a fair value gap, rallied above, but it couldn't take the Tuesday's price that reached this high of the Tuesday. This high of Tuesday, it couldn't take. So the market formed what? Relative equal highs here, because these highs are relatively equal to each other. Okay, and the market again falls down on Wednesday, as Wednesday was kind of inside day. I noticed the inside candle on Thursday. Sorry, not Wednesday, Thursday. So the price action was kind of leggy and kind of consolidative, but as soon as the Friday has started, market actually on Thursday fell into a breaker, but with the slow movement, slowly moving towards the breaker, and as soon as it reached the breaker, it took these relative equal lows here. Market took the sell side liquidity here and then reached the breaker again. Now we can see it has rallied above and taken the highs of Tuesday and Wednesday. So what I wanted to bring in your notice is that you highlight the opening price of a day and notice a fake move above the price, and you should know where the market is kind of going, whether this day is going to be bullish or bearish. If you have a proper idea of that, you could take a set of kind of every day when it forms the Judah swing in the market in the London session. Okay. So as the NFP is arriving in a few hours, so we will. So I will see for price to displace through here, which is the new week opening gap. Okay, if the price displaces through here and gives us an entry here, I will look for a buy. I will look for a buy here, targeting the relative equal highs residing above, which is also the previous week's high. Okay. Oh, sorry. So I will wait for this liquidity to be taken if the price breaks above the new week opening gap.